So yeah, this is the developers toner we're gonna use. So okay, y'all. So I kind of missed some steps, and don't mind my nails; they look a hot mess. I'll get them done soon. But we're using 30 developer, and we're using this bleach right here by L'Oreal. Here's the developer right here. I'll show y'all after, but we're just mixing it now. I'm trying to get some of the clumps out. Mom, you think we should add more, or you think it's good?
I think that's pretty good.
Okay. It's hard to get the clumps out, though.
Just smash them.
I think you should send them. All right. Okay. So yeah, 30 developer. It's my first time dyeing my real hair blonde. I did highlights before, and I was like 14, but I haven't done anything ever since. So, think that's good?
That looks good. I'm gonna take this out.
My mother's dyeing my hair. Mom, is this your first time bleaching my hair? Yes.
Yes, girl.
At 21 years old, it's my mom's first time bleaching my hair. We didn't do like box color. I don't know if that count or not. Oh, my eyes.
that turn me up, bro.
Do you have your timer set for the first set?
28 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check it before the 20 minutes though. Turnstiles?
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
That's the man behind the camera. Oh my gosh, I never bleached. I bleached my hair once. You remember you took me? No, you don't.
So they'll take you go get highlights off of Camp Wisdom.
Uh-oh. So you do.
Towards in.
Is that enough? You need to call some more.
Mama finna shampoo my hair. If you could get a little bit of that.
They all in this knot. I think you have some bleach back here. Oh, there we go. You have the bleach right here too.
So I'm already halfway through applying the deep conditioner to my hair, but I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair CPR treatment, and my hair definitely needs CPR since I just dyed it. But y'all, no hair is literally coming out of my comb, like literally just a little bit, like y'all see. So I'm very, very, very like proud and happy. Proud because that means I've been taking good care of my hair. Happy because that means my hair is not damaged. So let's continue the healthy hair journey. Ooh, I was wondering why that was burning. I got some of this damn product in this cut. I need to put a band-aid on. I had not cut, but burned my finger when I was making lobster the other day. And that video is going to be up too, so look out for that. But yeah, my hair does feel a little dry. Well, I'm not gonna say a little. It feels way more dry than usual, but that's to be expected. I literally just bleached my hair. So yeah, that's why I'm applying this deep treatment, and I'm gonna leave this on all night. Like, I'm gonna leave it all night. So yeah, and I'm leaving it on all night because it needs a lot of moisture. Like, it needs a lot of moisture back in its system. So I'm just gonna let it just sit overnight and wash it out in the morning. So yeah, but I'm probably, well, not probably, but I am gonna dye my hair too. I am gonna dye my hair again because I was actually going for blonde, like kind of like a platinum blonde almost. Like, this is like auburn. Yeah, it's definitely giving very much auburn. So yeah, I'm probably gonna dye my hair again in the next week or so, but I just want to give my hair a break. I don't want to damage it too much. I don't want to mess up my curls. So I'm going to let it, you know, sit for like a week or two. Of course, don't put no heat on it, nothing. Just let it sit in its natural state and just rest. Don't, you know, just, I don't know. My plan is to basically just be very low maintenance with my hair for the next 2 weeks. Like, just wearing it down. Ooh, y'all. So yeah, I plan on being very low maintenance with my hair for the next 2 weeks. I don't plan on doing any ponytails, any tight buns. I just plan on wearing my hair down, wearing messy buns. Not even buns. Like, I really don't want to wear anything where my ends have to be messed with too. Like, so like I said, messy buns. And I didn't dye my roots, as y'all can see, but next time I dye my hair, I will. I'm just going to lift them, like, probably like a light brown color, because I don't want blonde hair and black roots. Like, my hair is dark brown, but, I mean, damn near black, so, yeah. I'm blonde now. I am blonde. I'm not blonde, but I'm definitely lighter, so, yeah, I'm going to let this sit overnight. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this mask sit overnight, let my hair really just soak up the mask, get all the treatment in. Hey guys, so that's it for my video. I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and watch out for part 2 of me dyeing my hair. And yeah, that is it for this video. So I'll see y'all later. Mwah.